this, everything that I'm seeing on this report here is just lines up with exactly what I've been saying, man. We're in a bear market. It's not official yet. No one's, they're not saying it yet, but I've seen it so many times. I know what it looks like. And this is exactly what it looks like. Bounce back to 4,400. I don't trust the long here. So I'm looking for that short still. I mean, I see the long, I see the price action saying, hey, let's trap some bears and rip faces off. But how short-lived is it going to be? I think, it's going to go into the next good short setup. And that's where we're at right now. So it's really impossible for me to get long here. It's a tough one right here. I don't want to get long just yet, even though it looks like it. That's a good one. Let's look at some metrics here. Order filled. I got the puts, man. We didn't close over. So I know it's risky here, but I do not trust this long. But that's it right there. If we can break this, man, it's over. Order filled. Order filled. There we go. Got paid there. All right, I'm back. 15-minute 9, we closed, popped right back into that 43.92. What a tug of war, but I've already picked my side. I'm just going to keep stepping out before I picked my side. I think we're going down, and I'm not going to sell myself short. I've got the trade on. I've got my stops in place, right? I'm not touching a damn thing long. Like I said, I've got mine on. That's it. Hey, I'm not letting this fucker frustrate me because today's the day. This thing is going to die. And I ain't letting it frustrate me. Is it frustrating me so far? Yes, but I'm not going to let it stay that way. I'm finna kick this thing's ass if we die. 2 minutes here. Look, it's trying to close. Look, they tell me that my shit don't work, though. Look at these levels. Do they matter? Fuck yeah, they matter. Look at the tug of war going around here. Then finally, we break it, and boom, we get that big dump. That's what I'm talking about. Die, mother trucker, die. Order filled. Pay myself one more time there. If we can break this 77 area here, close another 5-minute candle under this thing, it's game on. Got good resolution on it. Really happy with the trade. Got about 15 points out of that thing, roughly, right? Really good trade. So I don't want to be greedy. If we start trading up, I'm going to take my profits and look for a re-entry here. I don't think that we're going to bounce at all here. I just think that we could get some more consolidation, and I can just keep paying myself and adding and paying myself and adding. The weakness and the way this price action is looking right now, I think the odds are we're going to set a new low here. We're not even going to get a bounce, so I wouldn't touch it long. Anyway, writing's on the wall. The writing is on the wall here, you guys. There's just nothing here that says, bounce. And to me, this is like the biggest thing that I have managed to pull out of with my system, to pull out of the stock market, is understanding the difference between a positive slope and a negative slope. So yeah, so I just took profits into that dip. Why? Because we got a big 5-minute dump. My first target is 43.42. Do I think we're going to reverse here? No, I think the most likely scenario is we're going to get a test of 4,300 today. How do I know that? I don't. Experience tells me that. But what are some things I can do for evidence, right? So it can't just be about experience, right? Show you guys some things about why does it just have to be about experience? Well, it doesn't. But look, I just had one of my, probably the second, maybe not the second, maybe the third or fourth, fifth biggest day of my career, because I've sized up and I just got a extremely, good 60 points with, close to full size from this type of logic. This is where I would expect the biggest bounce. And that's what we're getting. We're starting to get that biggest bounce. What was the low? 45.25. Target was 42.99. I mean, we're talking 18 cents, 25, 30 cents on a $4,500 instrument. You just can't make this shit up.